and welcome back to Art with Miss Choate. If you're new to my channel, what we do is we make art out of the things we have around us. So we're not going and buying new supplies. Whatever you have, you can adapt it to my lesson. And what we're going to do today is we're going to make an autumn leaf or a fall leaf. We're going to be inspired by the colors of the season, and we're going to be using shapes, patterns, and design elements in our leaf. So go grab either markers, crayons, color pencils, paint, whatever you have, and a piece of paper, and we'll get started. Since it's fall, I want us to think about leaves and the ways they change colors and even the patterns we can see inside the leaf. So we're going to draw a leaf. Now you don't have to draw the same one as me, and I'm just going to do this very loosely. And you could be looking at a leaf as you draw it or as you kind of make this shape, but I'm going to keep it a little bit abstract. Coming down, I'm filling up my whole page. And I can draw that stem that comes up the middle. And I can go ahead and divide up my shapes with those veins that go in the leaf. And I'm going to do patterns inside of each of these sections. And you can make these lines thicker, some thinner. I don't like that mistake shows there, so I'm going with a thicker line. And I like to change up my line quality, so some areas thick, some thin. Because I really feel like that helps complete the look of a drawing. Because I didn't just hurry up and put my lines down. I thought about each line. And I move confidently through my drawing. So now I'm ready to identify where I want my patterns and what kind of patterns I want. I could keep doing this in blue or black, or I can change it up. So I'm thinking about fall colors. I'm going to stick with these hot colors, red, yellow, and orange. And I'm going to fill up my space with patterns. So patterns are anything that repeats. So if we go straight line, dot, 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 straight line, dot, dot, dot. This is a pattern. And I'm going to fill up, and you can do your own patterns and your own colors. But I would like you to identify different patterns in each section. And it's okay if they don't come out perfect. Take your time. And you can think about thick and thin. Those can also be patterns. So thick line, thin line, thick line, thin line. You could even make it more detailed, give it more of a design. You could even go ahead and color a whole section in. You don't have to do patterns all over. You want to give it some balance. Or you could color a whole section in and then put a pattern on top of it. So maybe I want to do that in this one. And we're going to keep going until we fill up the whole thing. So here is our finished leaf pattern, kind of inspired by our fall colors. So I hope you had fun making your fall patterned leaf, and maybe it came out different, maybe you looked at a real leaf and drew it, or you kind of had fun and abstracted your leaf like I did. So whatever you did, I hope you enjoyed it. Give me a thumbs up, like if you enjoyed the video, and remember, subscribe so you get notified every time I post a new video. And in the comments, drop below, how did it come for you? Did you want to see something in the future? Let me know in the comments. So I hope to see you next time. Art with Miss Choate. Bye.